Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, a power seat, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and much more. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.